about me doing this natural hair as well as turning this gorgeous wig here that I got from Amazon, which will be linked, into some clip-ins, girl. These clip-ins look so good. Let me show you. Let me show you how good it looks. Girl, I would have loved for this to be a little bit kinkier. This is what this actually looks like. Hopefully the camera will get it. Which is okay. It's a decent match. But I would love something tighter than this for me. But this will do, baby. This will do. And it's okay. Let's just jump right into it because I know you're tired of hearing me talk. I have this Fable and Mane oil. It's a pre-wash oil. So you put this in your hair before you wash your hair. And you put it on dry hair. Now, you can put this on overnight. It's recommended to put it on overnight. I've used this a couple times. I'm like halfway done with the bottle. I really don't know what the benefits are. I just use it. I just work here, okay? I don't know nothing else. I just clock in and get my money, okay? I seen it. People recommended it. I went with it. Take this down. Ooh, ooh, Okay, now I want to start detangling my hair. So I'm trying to like gently pull these apart. Like real gentle, cause baby. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make. I feel so much more comfortable now. I'm gonna take this spray with this As I Am Classic Coconut Co-Wash and detangle my hair right now. I'm going to be using this pattern shower detangling brush, something like that. But y'all, this is the best detangling brush. It's really tough. It's sturdy. It's not like the other ones where this is going to pop off. It don't get no water stuck in it. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd met you? Detangling my entire head. I added some more of the coconut co-wash. I'm going to like massage it into my hair. Hopping in the shower to wash this off and shampoo my hair. And when we make love, your presence can be heard from far away. It's only the two of us. Disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Okay, right now I'm looking a mess. Don't do me. But this is what the wig came in. And here is the wig. I'm so excited. So I have these clips. They're just your average clips that look like this. Yeah, open it up like this. Clip it on to whatever braid, hair, whatever. And then They have some holes for you to pass the thread needle through. Yeah, whatever. I got some regular thread. It's one of those bang wigs. Right. I'm not so much looking for length. I'm really looking for volume because my hair is thin. This is the inside of the wig. That's the bang. That's the top of the head. I'm gonna cut this whole thing right here and just make this an entire clip in. Cause baby, I ain't got time. But that's kind of smart though, right? So you got this. Could be a full clip in instead of like doing individual tracks. Take this. Is it this way or is it this way? I think it's this way. So just sew it in right here. And then boom, put it on. And there go a nice little clip in. Okay, I think I'm gonna start doing it this way and just cutting it together with the actual fabric of the wig. Your girl is smart. Your girl is smart. I am smart.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta help, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on the low. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, put it in a song. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
These are all of the clip-ins I did. I think I did 2 long ones and then 4 short ones. And I still got this much wig left. Yeah, it's midnight. But I have to do this because I want it to dry. They are mad flat here. Like, they look professional. They look like I bought them like that. The pieces that I told y'all were short are gonna go right here actually. So I have 4 of these that I made like that on purpose so that the sides of my hair could be fuller. I think I might need 1 more short piece for like the top perhaps. Oh, I'm gonna actually wash these because I didn't wash this wig. I'm gonna wash these right now with my wave shampoo and the Briogeo conditioner. I washed them. They are looking really nice. And I think they're gonna match my hair pretty decently. Now I gotta take my hair down and wet it because this thing is dry. Baby, you can't even tell. Girl, who bought it? Who bought it now? Who bought it? Not me. Not me. I'm gonna do a side part because I just had a middle part. And I know you can't keep the same part for too long because then it starts to break in that area and whatnot. So we're gonna shift to a side part. Oh, this water is cold, Grandpa. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into here, separate that, and I'm going to put in one of my small clip-ins. Oh, my hair is way too thin. Okay, it held. It's holding. I'm going to use the rest of the 3 on this side since this side has way more. I'm going to leave this side alone. So I'm going to add in one pretty low. I know some people tease their hair, but I ain't, no. I'm just so in love, y'all. I'm so in love. I gotta part that one down.
We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, oh, for your action, I can do the same. Oh, I love the taste. La, 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 la. I love my tongue, I want it. For your action, I can do the same. Something we just gotta get into. Slang first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And that dinner just like dessert too. And when we French, we fresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, hickeys too. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause
yeah, 2:30 in the morning. I'm gonna wake up at 4:00 p.m. tomorrow. Twists are complete all the way through. Oh, let me give you a 360. A 360 tour, Miss Loretta. I also have some hair weights at the bottoms of the twist. I have this satin scarf. And I am going to wrap my hair. I'm going to bed. Okay? Good night. Well, good morning because it's 2:30 in the morning. I did forget to mention this. I don't think I like it. My hair feels so hard, so crunchy. It was real rough. Like this was fine when I was putting it in my hair, when I was like, you know, finger detangling to do my twist. But once I added this, like my hair just felt so rough. So I don't think I'm going to try this again. Yeah, okay. See y'all in the morning. You know what I mean by morning, the actual morning, because this is bye. It's the next day. It's almost 2:00 in the afternoon, and I'm finally gonna take this down. Let's see. Oh, why are these so hard? Crunchy ain't the word. I'm gonna use some bread oil to unravel. That way it doesn't become frizzy. So we're gonna unravel. Unraveling very soft. I still want some really nice definition. I'm trying hard to not like yank anything apart. Putting some oil at the tips.
You ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught tipping with your friend, you ain't even have me lying, you know that.
It's flaking like crazy. Look at the flakes. Okay, so now I gotta find a way to redefine some of these curls because I love the way these, like the ends of these look versus this is like a frizzy hot mess. The clip-ins, they freaking blend in gorgeously. Let me try to fix my hair, try and come back. I love it. Of course, it can be better because it's real frizzy over here, but I'm sure that's because of the way that I took it out. But I am so freaking pleased with the way that it looks. I need to get used to like the products that I'm using. I need to get better products that are going to work better for my hair. These homemade clip-ins are doing the job. Maybe I had to put a face on so you could get the full look of the hair. Because you know, sometimes the hair don't look good without the face, or the face don't look good without the hair. So, you know, I got to put them together. I got to put them together to give you the full experience. I do want some more volume up here, but I want to challenge you to something. Find the clip-in. I want you to find where the clip-in at, baby. I can't even find it. And this been my hair for 28 years. It's 4th of July, y'all, and they going crazy outside right now. So disregard that if you hear it. I'm gonna do my best to mute that out. But anywho, baby, it's hard for me to find the clip-ins, and I've been knowing my hair for 28 years. Okay. Anyways. Last thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with some of this Way North Bondi perfume. This perfume smells just like the shampoo, the detox shampoo, and I love the way that detox shampoo leaves my hair smelling. And this thing really lasts a while. Y'all, look at the wig. The wig is still like sort of intact, and she missing, you know, most of the back because it's here. But y'all, I have like an endless supply of clip-ins that I can make over and over and over again. And the wig was only like what? Girl, it was $150. I was about to spend a good $300 on some clip-ins. Girl, no, not no more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace. Looking good, smelling good, feeling better. I know that's right.